Nearly every successful wildlife conservation effort is built on a solid foundation of strong partnerships. The Phoenix Zoo is proud to highlight several collaborations, some making a difference in our own backyard, and others addressing significant conservation needs in communities around the globe.
I think one of the most amazing parts of Project Zoo Lab is that we're bringing the zoo to students that don't normally get the opportunity to visit, at least not on a regular basis. And also to take them on a different zoo experience, not just to follow the paths that are typical on a daily experience, but to really go behind the scenes.
It's just been an amazing journey to work alongside the zoo staff and to see the smiles on the girls' faces when they get to run through the zoo.
Everybody comes to the zoo wants to see the turtles. And so we were able to partner with the zoo to work on this one specific effort to help the public understand that the turtles that we all love to see here don't actually belong here.
We're catching any and all we can this weekend. They're all non-native.
The Phoenix Zoo has been incredibly instrumental in all the research that I do. My goal in life is to save the frogs. I do a lot of field work, I do a lot of lab work, and having a place that has a renarium that is head-starting amphibians every year and putting them back out into the wild has just been an incredible resource for me to add all of my DNA analysis onto something that's already doing huge things to save the frogs.
During the 2011 wildfire, we weren't certain whether or not we were able to hold spring snails, our smallest endangered spring snail. But the work the Phoenix Zoo Conservation Center did realized that that was an option for us. So we were able to salvage populations out there that were in harm's way from post-fire flooding effects.
This is a program we've got a long investment in, and your dollars really help us accomplish our tasks in the field, one of which has been a tremendous increase in nest success with chicks.
Funding from the zoo helps to employ a team of Grevy zebra warriors who monitor zebra populations, raise local awareness, and provide protection to the species.
Our partnership with the Phoenix Zoo has allowed us to conserve endangered carnivores on farmland outside protected areas in southern Africa. Carnivores on these farms get persecuted as they predate on many of the farmers' livestock. The Phoenix Zoo has helped us place livestock guardian dogs on some of these farms, promoting non-lethal predator control, allowing us to conserve some of these endangered carnivores.
The zoo also supports the Wildlife Connection's efforts to reduce the impacts of human-elephant conflict in southern Tanzania through environmental education and beehive barrier fences.
Cotton tops are very small monkeys that only live in the northwest region of Colombia in South America. It's the only place on earth where you can see these animals in the wild. So we work basically to protect forests for these endemic species. We work to study the animal in the wild and learn what they need to make it, in the long term. And we have a very active education program in the local schools.
Communities in Mongolia are safeguarding their heritage through a traveling nomadic nature trunk program, delivering educational messages through creative learning tools.
The Phoenix Zoo has been a very important partner in this project. First of all, because they were one of the first zoos to believe in us, and so they gave us one of our first grants, which enabled us to start the work, but also because it's been a continuous source of funding.
The Thailand Hornbill Project is significantly reducing the poaching of hornbill chicks by providing extensive environmental education programming in Thai villages. Village students learn about hornbill biology and conservation using binoculars purchased with Phoenix Zoo grant funds.
Conservation is not just about biodiversity and biology, it's about economics, it's about sustainability, it's about people getting involved on the ground and becoming attached to their landscape and not just the landscape, the human-dominated landscape, but the animals that were here naturally, and re-engaging them with those animals.